Use the calculator to confirm your answer for question 2. So the information was n is equal to 8, the sample mean is 33.5, the sample standard deviation is 7.2, and the level of confidence is 0.90. So now let's go to the t-interval. Under the t-interval, we want to type all of our information. Now, I want to mention two different things. First, we actually never have to provide the degrees of freedom. We just need to provide the sample size, and it will automatically calculate the degrees of freedom. And then for the confidence level, we can either type it in as a whole number or as a decimal. So for 90% confidence, we can type 90 or 0.90. So then press calculate, and our confidence interval rounded to two places is 28.68 to 38.32. So that is our confidence interval, and that does match the answer that we got on number 2 when we solved it by hand.